Welcome to EDU World Space.
We are asked to consider the detonation of nitroglycerin, and I've written a chemical equation right here. Our first question, 2.00 milliliters of nitroglycerin, I'm going to refer to this as NG for brevity, and we're told it has a density of 1.592 grams per milliliter, detonates. How many moles of gas are produced? Okay, so let me grab this here. So, how many moles of gas are produced? I guess I'm going to have to also get this to moles here. And my molar mass of nitroglycerin is 227.11 grams per mole. So I'm going to have 2 times 1.592 divided by 227.11. And I get 0.0140, let's stop here, 2 moles of nitroglycerin. And then we're going to find we're going to have to find the moles of all of our masses. So let's do our CO2. And that's going to be 0.01402 moles of nitroglycerin times a 12:4 mole ratio. And that will be, for my CO2, that'll be 0.04206 moles of CO2. Then we're going to do N2, 0.01402. This will be a 6:4 mole ratio, so it looks like it'll be half. And it will indeed be half. And then C and D. O2, that's just a simple one to 4 mole ratio. That'll be 0.003505 moles of O2. And finally, for my steam, and that'll be a 10:4 mole ratio. Giving me 0.03505 moles of H2O. Then we will add all 4 of those up, and I'll highlight the numbers that are going to be added here, those 4 numbers, and that will equal 0.1016 moles of gas. And looking back at my significant figures in this one, we're going to report that to 3 significant figures, and that'll be 0.102 moles of gas produced. I'm going to switch colors of this. Okay, second question. Each gas occupies 55 liters. Under the conditions, how many liters of gas? Well, what are my conditions? Okay, so I've got 55 gas. Each mole of gas. So I'm going to take each one of my moles up here. That's pretty simple. I take each one of my moles divided by, or multiply it by 55 liters. So let's do CO2. And for CO2, read this question again. Oh, so that's not hard at all. I have I won't have to do this at all. This is super easy. 0.1016 moles times 55 liters per mole. Number should be in my calculator. It is not. 0.1016 times 55 is 5.59 liters. And I'm going to go to, with 55, 5.6 liters. Then my final question is, how many grams of N2 are produced? Let's go back up and look at our moles of N2, which is 0.21030. And I'm going to multiply that by the molar mass, which is 28.02 grams of N2 per mole of N2.